Out of the shell.
Katuwen Eliyata.
Be an outstanding leader through all challenges. Master your stage confidence.
Out of the shell, public speaking and presentation skills training.
Through mind muscle vibration therapy, MMVT and NLP.
Speak in front of any audience with ultimate confidence.
Face any interview successfully without hesitation.
Discover your hero within and break your shell to succeed in life, profession and business. Featuring globally renowned personality training specialist Dr. Kuma Iddamallena.
Pioneer who introduced positive thinking, personality development, leadership training and English speech training workshop model through mind muscle vibration therapy, MMVT and NLP. He has successfully taught and trained over 3 million people in over 18 countries during the last 4 decades.
3-day workshop in English medium.
17th, 18th and 19th of November. Enrollment limited to 21 members.
Call now to book your seat 0114 301 301 or 0778 401 301.
Wisdom Trainer Kuma Iddamallena Leadership Academy.